Hi friends, today we are going to solve one maths puzzle. So fill the missing number here. So by seeing these five addition problems, we were given with the five additional problems. So four addition numbers given randomly. You are supposed to identify the pattern of the answers and apply that pattern to the fifth addition problem, and get the answer for this. Right? Before going for the solution, please subscribe to my channel for the future video updates. Let us move to the answer. See here, here we are given with a standard, that is 8 plus 2 is 10 actually, but here the given answer which is given is 9. So that is, the actual answer is 10, given answer is 9, that is 10 minus 9 is 1. This is the one difference is there between the actual answer and the given answer. In the same manner, the second one, 15 plus 2 is 17, given answer is 14, that is 17 minus 14 is 3. Next, third one, 20 plus 5 is 25. Given answer is minus, that is 20. That's 25 minus 20, it is 5. Next, fourth one, 40 plus 5 is 45. Given answer is 38. 45 minus 38, it is 7. Just look, identify the pattern. Identify the pattern. This is first, in the first addition, actual answer is 10. They have subtracted 1 to get a 9. So then again they have incremented two numbers, that is second answer, second addition problem answer is 17, but they have subtracted minus 3 to get 14. In the same manner, 25 is the third answer, but they have subtracted minus 5 to get 20. Likewise, 45, they have subtracted minus 7 to get 38. That is, the standard pattern is 1, 3, 5, 7. That is 1 starting from 1, increment up to 3, increment up to 5, increment up to 7. In the same manner, increment of 9 should be there. Here there should be a 9, that is 65 plus 3 will be 68. Then increment of 2, that is 1 plus 2 3, 3 plus 2 5, 5 plus 2 7, 7 plus 2 9. You will subtract 9 with the actual answer of this, that is 68 minus 9, you are going to get a 59. 59 is the missing number here. So this is the standard pattern. I have identified the standard pattern of four additions answers, and I have applied for the fifth one. This is how we are going to solve the puzzles. In the same way, let us do the second one. In the second one, these are the problem, and you are supposed to identify the missing number here. So just try to identify the pattern which is there in these four answers. Apply the pattern for the fifth addition problem. Then you are going to get your answer. Let us do it. So 10 plus 2 is 12. That, but given answer is 11. That is 12 minus 11. That is nothing but 1. Difference between the actual answer and given answer is 1. In the same manner, 15 plus 3, 18, but given answer is 17. Again, the difference is 1. Third one, 10 plus, that is 20 plus 10, 30. Given answer is minus, that is 29, minus 29, 1. Then the again fourth one, 30 plus 7, 37. Given answer is 36, 37 minus 6, that is 36 is 1. That is, the standard pattern here is for the actual answers, they have subtracted 1 in every answer. That is minus 1, minus 1, minus 1, minus 1. Here also same. That is 40 plus 3 is 43. Minus 1 means 42. That will be your answer. And this is the answer for the 42. That is the missing number is 42. That is we have identified the pattern, standard pattern, and I have applied for the fifth one. This will make you to think differently. So please subscribe to my channel for the further updates. Please like my videos and subscribe and share to maximum people. Thank you one and all.